Have you ever tried this remedy? There's a magical ingredient that's 1,000,000 times stronger than Botox. It tightens the skin, removes wrinkles, improves your complexion, and makes you look younger. Bookmark this video before it disappears. For the first recipe, we will need 1 tablespoon of coffee in a bowl. After that, add 1 teaspoon of fresh yogurt and mix well. Now our first natural recipe is ready. For the second recipe, we will need 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. Then add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. It tightens your skin and removes dullness. Now both of our recipes are ready. How to use: apply this to your face and leave it on for 15 minutes. After that, remove the mask and wash it off with water. Repeat this process daily for 10 days, and you'll be amazed by the results. Grow your hair in just 15 days with this simple natural recipe. This remedy works for all hair types. If your hair is thinning and not growing past a certain length, then this remedy is for you. For this recipe, first crack an egg. It helps strengthen your scalp and remove dullness. After that, squeeze the juice of half a lemon and mix it well. Then add some Johnson's baby oil. It helps keep your hair soft and healthy. Mix everything well. You can store this mixture in the fridge for up to 15 days. How to use: dip a cotton piece into the mixture and gently apply it to your scalp. Massage it well for about 20 minutes, then leave it on for another 10 minutes. After that, wash it off with water. Repeat this process about 2 times a week for a month, and you'll be amazed by the results. If you're over 40 and your neck is giving away your age, listen to this. Most creams just sit on the surface, but the right formula can deeply hydrate, improve elasticity, and visibly soften fine lines around the mouth and neck with consistent use. For this natural cream, first take 1 tablespoon of honey to help reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Then add 1 teaspoon of gelatin powder, which helps smooth the skin and reduce dark spots. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of milk and mix everything well. Your fresh cream is ready. This is for immediate use only, not for storage. How to use: apply the cream on your skin and leave it for 15 minutes, then wash it off with water. Repeat this daily for 15 days, and you'll be amazed by the results. Stop scrolling. This natural ingredient might be stronger than Botox for tightening skin and removing wrinkles. It helps firm your skin, smooth fine lines, and give your face a more youthful glow. Most people don't even know about this simple remedy. Watch till the end to see how it works. And don't forget to save this video before it disappears. For this recipe, first we will need 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. It helps to exfoliate your skin, remove dullness, and fight against wrinkles. Then we will add about 1 tablespoon of instant coffee and mix it well, as it helps brighten your skin. After that, add about 1 teaspoon of milk and mix well. Now our natural cream for removing dark spots and wrinkles is ready. This mixture should be used only once. How to use: apply it on your face and leave it for 15 minutes. Then wash it off with water. Repeat this process daily for 1 week, and you'll be amazed by the results. By